So you want to know how we make oyster mushrooms?
Some people tell me they don't even like oyster mushrooms.
Have they had fresh, local, organically grown oyster mushrooms?
Have they prepared them in this crisp, delicious, easy to make way?
Probably not.
So we challenge all you oyster naysayers to cook them this way and then come back and tell us that you don't like them.
Mm-hmm. Step 1. This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tip one.
Admire oyster mushrooms.
And my other oyster.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Tip two.
Put oil in the pan. We like to use the saturated oil, like ghee or coconut oil.
Butter's okay too.
Don't cook me to it.
Step 2, put them gills down in a hot oil pan. Oh, yeah.
Whoa, that's a big one. Do you think I could fit another one in? Okay.
Yeah, really fill up the pan. And if they're not sitting flat, they eventually will when they start to heat up and lose a little moisture.
Do you eat the mushrooms?
Yeah, I eat the mushrooms. Do you eat the mushrooms?
Do you eat the mushrooms right now?
I'm going to let them crisp up a little bit and flip them over, and then I'm going to eat them.
I want to flip over too.
You want to flip them over too?
Step 3.
Allow a moment to enjoy the aroma.
Step 4. Watch them how they crisp up and turn golden brown.
Step 5.
Flip.
Flip. I want to flip 2.
Oh, that's perfect.
I want to flip 2.
Okay, you're going to flip.
I want to flip 2. I'm flip 2.
See, actually, I want you to step away because the oil splatters. Look at how they expand a little bit when you flip them over. That's my favorite part. Ready? Catch this one. Yep, see how it is expanding?
Now this is how we like them. We like them nice and crispy, like fried chicken.
And we like it easy.
But if you wanted to let these a little more lighter and tender, you can do that. Or if you want to crisp them a little more on the dark side and get them real crispy, you can do that. The choice is yours.
Step 6. Let them get crispy on both sides.
Step 7, all we do is add salt. That's it. If you want to get wild, go for it. We just put salt on there, put them on a plate, and eat them up.
Look, golden crispy on both sides. So step 8, try to let them cool down a little bit before you put them in your mouth. Because
I just want to eat them. Just want to eat them right now.
they're really delicious. Yeah.
Osiris, do you want any of these?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My plate.
On your plate?
Why not?
Okay.
The hard part about this is trying not to let your pan smoke. Oh, you think you can have one? Huh? You want one? You like those things? Osiris, what do you think about mushrooms? Butterfly. Gosh, these are delicious. How can you even say they don't like these? One of the other favorite things I like about this, you don't have to chop them up. You just leave them whole. It's like the easiest friggin'
So
thing.
easy.
So easy.
So quick.
Wish we had more.
Baby, just gotta grill more.
Okay.
Get back to work.